Hi, today we're doing bowling but through stations. And this is my neighbor, Elam. Hi, today this station we're gonna grab the ball and knock down these bowling pins with the bowling ball. Like that. And I knocked none over. This is a station where you trap. So this is a trap. Right, Elam? And so at the station we're gonna go. Have fun. Hold up, we need a water drink. You do it. So refreshing. More eyes on my head. At this station, we're going to kick the ball with 1 foot at the bowling pins. Can you show them what to do? How you do it? And then like that. And then try to hit the bowling pins.
Do it.
Knocked one down! Yay! So today, this station, we're going to have a race at this bowling pin, and whoever does the fastest wins. And Elam, can you do that for them? Let's both do a race. Now let's go back. That was me. Today we're going to jump rope. Devin, want to show them how to? I messed up. Devin, can you show us to this bowling pin, to that blue hula hoop? That's a running one.